various temples have been inundated under the Godavari River in Nashik following incessant rainfall in the region. Incessant rainfall in the region has also led to the Godavari River overflowing, inundating several temples as well. The continuous downpour has caused significant water level to rise, submerging these historical and religious sites. Authorities are closely monitoring the situation and have also urged the residents to stay safe and avoid the affected areas. Joining me on the broadcast is my colleague Prathamesh. Prathamesh, what we can understand from the visuals is that the water levels in the Godavari have risen up to an extent that it's almost becoming dangerous. Even if the downpour continues and it rains even more in the hours to come, it is going to be even difficult for the people and the authorities to cope, as the visuals are a little scary but not unusual, because every monsoon we see temples being inundated and the drainage system being blocked right now. So the monsoon hayam continues.
In Nashik, the temples are inundated as the severe rainfall has been taking place over there in Nashik. As the Godavari Nadi, it has been as an alert level. It has been the Godavari River has been overflowed. That's why all the water has been came into the city as well, and the flood-like situation has been happened over there. Even if I say that different parts of Maharashtra, the flood-like situation is there. Like in Pune, if I talk about the flood-like situation is there now in Nashik. So in the Nashik is like the severe flood-like situation, and also the NDRF team are also been alerted, and the government is also giving the action. Taking in the action, seeing the action, and they are saying the people to be aside from where the water level has been increased, and don't go near that, otherwise you can lost your life in that water level. So in this, the government is also taking the actions, and they are also relocating the people from one side to other side if there is a water logging situation and the water flood like situation over there. So they are relocating people as well from there, and they are making them into a safe zone, so that none of the people should lose their lives. Even Maharashtra CM Eknath Shinde is also keeping the close eye on the situation of the flood of the Nashik, as well as in the Nashik, we can see to the visuals as well, there is a severe flood-like situation. Even the house are being submerged into waters, the temples are being submerged into waters. So this is really a big situation in this. The NDRF and all the forces has been deployed over there, so that none of the casualties should be happen on, or none of the lives should be lost in that flood-like situation. Yes.
Well, Prathamesh, but we can also understand that this is not only limited to these temples in Nashik that have been inundated, but Maharashtra's Chief Minister Eknath Shinde will also be visiting all the affected areas in Pune that have been badly inundated because of this downpour that has been happening, and a flood-like situation across a lot of regions in Maharashtra has become after the monsoon mayhem has raged.
Yes, correct. As yesterday we have seen in the Pune, if I talk about Pune, the Pune was been seen like a flood-like situation because the dams, the door of the dams was been opened because the dam was been on the alert mode. It was above the alert mode. That's why the gates was been opened, and the water went into inside the few of the localities such as Ekta Nagar. If I talk about Ekta Nagar, in the Ekta Nagar locality, the water went in the people houses of the people, and after that the people were evacuated from there. As we have seen yesterday, also the army was been deployed over there. Around 100 army soldiers were been deployed over there to do the rescue. And yesterday night the army was being seen into the action over there, and the army has rescued few of the people from there. Even NDRF has been also been deployed there. 2 teams was been deployed there. And today, as yesterday, we have seen that MNS Chief Raj Thackeray has also visited the affected area. And today, Maharashtra CM Eknath Shinde is also planning to visit in Pune in the affected area and see the whatever the damage has been done over in Pune. Yes.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.